In a dim workshop, copper coils glow as the keeper of patience opens a dust-veiled vintage radio for repair. Soft taps and a whisper of oil begin the ASMR chorus, tracing wire paths while the chassis breathes. A careful squeak of the potentiometer tells a story of decades, each turn restoring tone and memory. Solder beads sparkle under macro light as brittle lacquer melts away, revealing a hopeful heartbeat beneath the faded panel. When the first signal hums to life, the room settles into gentle applause, a quiet revival after time.